It's raining some more. It's a nice solid rain. Very glad I invested in these covers for my patio furniture to keep them fresh and clean. Otherwise they would be a mess. I would be buying brand new patio cushions for my furniture. Like, these are a godsend, these covers. Look at all the dirt on my patio from it raining. I think I'm gonna leave my door open because the air is nice, it's cool. It's been so hot. And then I talked to my friend, she's in LA, and they haven't had very bad rain, she said, as of like earlier today for the hurricane that was going through the Pacific coastline. So she was happy about that. Like, dude. So anyways, I think I'm gonna leave my door open. I'm watching a show. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I forget what the name of this is.